that's enough. Let's go talk. Howdy, how's the form? Jetall. Fat on the horse on. So, I'm limping after my run today. Tuesday, 16th January, about midday. Just done 3k. First 3k since before Paris. First run even before Paris, so really struggling. Feeling a bit of pain and discomfort in my hip. I'll go into that later on. Got a bit of pain in my right hip and my right butt cheek, and I did a really good warm-up today. Did some exercises that one of our gym instructors always goes on about, because it's really good for opening up your groin and your hips and pelvic muscles. So I did some of them stretches. I thought, oh well, hip will be okay, because it was sore all last week in Paris. And on that note, I'm going to be dropping a lot of content from Paris on my YouTube channel over the next few days, maybe a week. Just need to start editing it. Well, finish editing some of it, and then you'll probably get bored. But if you like it, give it a like, share, subscribe, you know, all that jazz. So yeah, the hip's sore. I started feeling it last Sunday before we went to Paris. I think because it was so cold, I probably didn't warm up properly. About 9 o'clock in the morning, minus 7 degrees today. I'm finding this run really tough. It's the cold air's going into my lungs and it's just knocking me for 6. And then it was sore in Paris because we did a lot of walking. But yeah, I'm getting old. I'm not getting any younger, and I'm not as fit and flexible and supple as I used to be. But I'm just very conscious of the fact that I'm falling behind with this 2018 challenge that I've set myself. So what have I run now? I've run 25 kilometres. And I've got, how's my mental maths? Oh my goodness, 1,993 to go. So I'm just very conscious of the fact that I'm falling behind, so that's why I wanted to go on a run today, and I probably should have rested my hip in hindsight. Finding it hard to run, because look at this. Well, that bit was quite clear. Check it out. Good old Calum. But I need to average just over 5.5k a day, or 38.5k a week. And I only did 18k my first week. I didn't do any last week. So I'm really behind. But my friend Kimberly, who inspired me initially to do this challenge, sent me through some pictures last night of the log she kept of all her runs, and it just made me feel so good and so motivated. So that's why I went out today. I'll probably rest tomorrow, do a really good warm down when I get home, and Claire got me a foam roller as well, so I'll just roll around in that this afternoon. No doubt be in pain because it's quite sore, the old foam roller, but it's got to be done. After you, I think I'll just leave things as is just now. Just going to go home, do some editing, warm down, make some dinner. So yeah, keep an eye out for all my Paris content over the next few days, maybe a week. Got quite a lot. I did a vlog for each day, and then I did did some additional snippets, hints and tips, stuff I learned from being in Paris. Yeah, so back in my machine drasta. I'll leave things like that for now. Agus bydde ni bydd yw'ch ydych, I'll speak to you again. Cheers just now. Okay, approaching 7k. Here we go. Pause. Okay, 7k, 41.05.